Okay, hey guys. This is Richard. Um, I'm just gonna make this recording short and sweet. I'm just gonna tackle uh, the things about making ads and how campaigns and ad sets and ads works. Um, let's go. So before that, let me just make it clear about campaigns. Campaigns is what you make first when you're starting to make an ad for your business. So inside that one campaign, there's ad set, and inside that ad set, there's ads. Either two or more ads, but let's just focus on one ad. So here's this example. This is an inactive ad. I was running this for a while and then I just stopped doing this because it stopped working. It's not getting some leads. Stop getting leads. So here's the normal ads that you're making. So let's focus on conversion because conversion, of course, is the ones that working for our business. Conversions. So we're gonna start conversion. Let's say we're gonna create. Well, I'm not gonna discuss this just because I think you all know about this already. So I'm just gonna show you how it works. So inside that campaign, this is the campaign level. Inside that campaign, there's one ad set, right? This is the ad set. Those four squares, that's called ad set. And then inside that ad set, there's one ad, right? So this is the normal screen that you're gonna see once you start making an ad. But sometimes you can make more ads inside one campaign, or maybe more more ad sets inside one campaign, or more, let's say 2 3 ads inside one campaign, inside one ad set, inside one campaign. I hope you understand, but to make it easier to understand, here it is. This is the tab. This is the easiest way to see it. This is our tabs. This is the campaign level, the tabs campaign level, and this is the ad sets campaign level, ad sets level. This is the tab. So what you can see, I have one ad running, one campaign running, and then inside that one campaign, I have five ad sets, six ad sets, sorry, six ad sets. And then inside those six ad sets, they have the same ads. That's how I split test. That's what you call split test. The way it works is, before, I just make one ad, just like this. I only made one ad, just like this. How this look like? This one, this three, one campaign, one ad set, and one ad, right? So the way I split test is, of course, my campaign is this is my campaign. I titled this split test, and then I'm using video animation, and this is for Canada. Okay. Now I split test my targeting. So how I do this is, I first run an ad, like a single ad just like this, and I wait for them to be activated or to get approved. Once they get approved, see this is the original one. I put the name original just because this is the original ad set that I made. Once this one got approved, I immediately duplicate this for 4 times, right? 4 times. 1 2 3 4. So now I have 5 ad sets running. 5 ad sets running. Those ad sets, these three different ad sets have different targetings. One, this is Filipino. Let me show you this. All Filipino, and then I have this sales industry, who loves cars, who loves Forerunner, and then there's teachers. Well, I didn't detail this, that's why I put not detailed. Who loves beaches? And there's one that says health and wellness, who loves fitness, and then who loves yoga, and who loves water. That's how I titled this, and this is my ad sets. See? I'm in my ad sets now. That's it. That's where you can see it. Right? So if I open this, let's see, open, edit. As you can see here, it has the same budget in the same country and languages and same ages, but different detailed targeting. Right? Hence the title, All Filipino, because I'm targeting all Filipinos regardless of what they like, regardless of what they do in Canada. Okay? So, and then there's this one. Let me show you this original one where I duplicated this from. As you can see, this is my original ad set, and here it is the same, just because, they're all the same. Actually, they're all the same country, targeting country. They're all the same age, same language, same budget, but different detailed targeting. That's how I split test. You split test your targeting, right? So, hope that's clear. And now, my budgets are, see, what I'm trying to tell you is, because I keep on telling, well, my budget is like, let's say $50 a day, $25 a day, $40 a day. That's how I do this. I distribute all my budgets with different ad sets. $5 for one ad set, for that $5 for one ad set, $5 for one ad set, and so on. And ad sets, inside these ad sets, they all have the same ad. I don't edit this. Just because if you edit this, there's the chance that you might get disapproved, or and your social group will disappear. So don't edit this. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm keep on telling you guys, that if you're making an ad, make sure your ad is very clear and clean from violations, and double check it before you publish it, so it gets approved faster. Right? What else? Hope that's clear. So yeah, this is the campaign level, and this is the ad sets level. And inside this individual ad sets, if I open this, expand this ad set, bam, bam, that's it. Video animation, same video animation. Right? So you don't edit your ad itself, you edit your ad sets, just because that's how you split test your targeting. Different targetings. And now, once because it takes like 3 days for this to learn, right? 3 days or 5 days. You just have to run this for 3 to 5 days, and if you see,
it's 12 o'clock.
Let's once you see, hold on. Let me just log out, just because it's not getting the data. Just so we can refresh this. I'm gonna log out. Log in. Okay. Right. Okay, so Ads Manager. This content marketing. Go. Oh, it's funny. It's not getting the data. Oh, okay, that's why. Customize columns. Um, Reach frequency. Clicks. Percentage. That's it. Cost per result. Apply. Fresh. Oh, it's not getting the data, but anyway, maybe because um, I just duplicated this particular ad this morning, so it might get reset. It's probably got reset. Anyhow, yeah. So now, let's say you run this for 5 days. After 5 days, you found that, let's say, the sales industry, who loves cars, who love Forerunner, these ones got the highest lead, the best performance. So what you can do is, let's say this health and wellness is not performing very well. You're not getting lead from this uh, ad ad set. So that's the time you turn this off. Turn this off. This one, if this is getting at least like 500 reach or 1000 reach, and you're getting, because you only have like $5 budget, so you're also gonna get like small amount of reach, right? But still, it's not really that important yet, just because you're still speed testing. So once you get the highest reach and the highest, let's say this one got like 2 leads, and this one got 0 leads, and this one got 1 lead, and then these two got 0 leads, turn them off. Leave all those that has um, good results, and then that's the time you scale up. You either duplicate it 5 times again, or just increase the budget. Increase the budget to, let's say, okay, so this one's performing well. I'm gonna add $15 more, so I'm gonna make it $20 per day. So that's how I scale. That's how you get more leads, and you're not really looking you're not you're not really looking into something that you're hoping that you're getting leads from, right? At least oh, this one is performing well. This, let's say, this sales industry who loves cars, so that means more people are engaging with your ads, who are into sales industry and who loves cars. Is that clear? So yeah, that's it. So that's the time you scale up. You scale up, let's say, in at 12 o'clock a.m. Let's say you scale up. You want to add more budget because you want to get more leads. So that's the time you scale up. You add $15. You make it $20 per lead now. Then you will see the result once it goes up again. Then you scale up again until you get your good number reach. The thing about this is, once you started in lowest price, the lowest bid you already, like the first lowest bid you get, let's say you get 45 cents or something. If you scale up, it's not gonna go up. Like, it's probably gonna go up, but it's not gonna go up that much. If you've been getting 45 cents per lead or $1 per lead, and you scale up, it's gonna be the same, even if you scale up your budget. Right? Is that clear for you? Is that, I mean, do you understand that? Right? Unlike if you start running, because I've been running my ad like starting with high budget already, and I find it like, yeah, I'm getting a lot of leads, but sometimes I find it expensive, just because Facebook is maximizing your $100 budget. So even though there's like high bidders there, if you have high budget, then it's gonna use up all your $100 budget for one bid. That's how it works. So it's better to you to do it like in small amount of money first, and then you just scale up if you find that your ad is winning. If you found your winning ad, when you found your winning ad, that's the time. So hope that's clear. And also for um, creating ad, let me show you an example. I've been making ads, like long ads before, and because before I was still learning, and I don't know which words are flag and which phrases are not really good. So let me just show you my page post. um, okay, let's go to my old Facebook page. Here, see, I have a lot of ads. See, this is my popular ads. I see, that's what I've been duplicating this, and it's just got denied for the when was this? Maybe, oh yeah, it wasn't because of my ad that's been violating any policies. It's because I kept on editing those, like in the ad level. So I can, I mean, that's why Facebook's algorithm is kind of like, oh, someone's like this person is this ad kept on changing. So there's something suspicious about this, right? That's how it works. Now, here, this one has the most engagement and the most reach, 3,500 reach. But this is like really bad ad. This is a story ad, but there's like phrases and words that are like, if you think about it, I'm advertising the business, not the live webinar. That's why. Now, I learned my lesson. So that's when I start using short but sweet message, and here, start a business that will run and work for you instead of giving away the effort and time for someone else. So I'm still advertising a business, but not really directly, if you know what I mean. If you get it? Because in my story, how I started a business is because I joined the community training. I joined the webinar. That's how I learned my business. I'm not really advertising the whole business. I'm advertising the training. And that's what's inside our landing page. Hope that helps. Anyhow, talk to you soon. Bye.